Hi my dear students, welcome to another session of Social Science. As you already know, in the previous class I explained about stages of prehistoric period. In the previous class I have explained the two stages of prehistoric period. The first stage is Paleolithic age. This I told in the previous class how human being lived in the Paleolithic age, and also I told about the Mesolithic age. This is the age between Paleolithic and Neolithic age, and this is also called Microlithic age because human beings started to use small tools. So micro means small, lithic means stone, so that it is also called Microlithic age. Today I am going to start one more period from the prehistoric period, that is Neolithic age. So in the Neolithic age, human beings started to learn different things in the Neolithic age. So you already came to know that in the Microlithic age or in the Mesolithic age, human beings started to rear the animals, wounded animals and offspring animals. He used to bring while hunting what he was getting. He used to bring and rear those animals. That he had continued in the Neolithic age. So in the Neolithic age, same problem he faced. What is that problem? He faced the problem of shortage of food. I told you even in the Paleolithic age also he faced the same problem, and in the Mesolithic age also he faced the same problem, that is shortage of food. In the Neolithic age also he faced the same problem, shortage of food. So that what he has done, he had started producing their own food. What he started to do? He started to grow the plants, or he started growing the crops. It means agriculture. It means he started cultivating crops on the banks of river. Why he started agriculture on the banks of river? Because on the banks of river there will be fertile alluvial soil. This alluvial soil you can see on the banks of rivers, because this alluvial soil comes from the rivers. River water brings it out and it lives in the banks of rivers. That will be very fertile. Fertile ಅಂದರೆ ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಣ್ಣು. ಅಲುವಿಯಲ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣು. ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಬೋದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಳುವರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನಿಯೋಲಿಥಿಕ್ ಏಜ್ ಆನ್ ದ alluvial soil, on the banks of rivers. Not only Neolithic age, after this many civilizations flourished on the banks of rivers only, because that alluvial soil, alluvial soil it is very good for agriculture. It is a fertile soil. So he also started agriculture there only, and agriculture provided food to them and fodder to animals. He started to grow the crops. That crops became food for the human being in Neolithic age, and also fodder to their animals, because he started to rear the animals. So he had to give food for their animals also, no? So that because of this agriculture he got the food for himself and also fodder to their animals also. So here agriculture, first agriculture started in the evidence of agriculture find in Mehergarh. Present this Mehergarh in Pakistan. Means first evidence of agriculture is found in Mehergarh of Pakistan. So before it was in the subcontinent of India. present it is in the Pakistan. So like this he started the agriculture and started to grow the crops. And in the Neolithic age only he started to settle in one place. Why he started to settle in one place? Because he started agriculture. So regularly they have to stay there only. So that they started to build small huts or houses using the sun dried bricks. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಒಣಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಯಾವ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿಯೋಲಿಥಿಕ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he started to settle in one place in this period. Before he was a nomadic. He used to roam from one place to another place in search of food. But now he started to grow the crops. He started to get the food in one place only. So that he started to stay in one place. And also in this period only he was living in underground. He used to make a place in underground and he was living in that. That is called Burj Home of Kashmir. Burj Home of Kashmir. He used to dig the underground and he was staying in that he was using as a shelter. Those are called Burj homes. So like this he started to settle in one place. And when he started agriculture he started to grow the crops and he was getting crops from the agriculture, different type of seeds, food he started to get. And again he had faced one more problem, that is storage of food. Whatever crops he was getting, he was not getting how to store those because there were no things to store the food. So that then he started to learn to make pots. Means here manufacture of handmade pottery. In the Neolithic period only he learned how to make the pots. And gradually he came to know the use of wheel also. Have you observed how they make the pots? By using the wheel. Yes, it will be very easy to make. So that gradually he learned the use of wheel. Then he used that wheel to manufacture the potteries or pots. To make the pots he used these wheels. And by that he learned to make different type of pots, some big, small, and for cooking also they started to use these potteries or pots, because in the Mesolithic age only he had learned how to use the fire. And in this period only he started to cook the food using fire. And in your book there is a picture in page number 62. You can observe. If you observe that picture, you'll get the clear picture how the human being of Neolithic age he was living. How he was using fire, and how he was using animal hide as a cloth and animal husbandry. These all how he learned, and small huts. So these all you can observe in that picture. And agriculture, how he learned. That only one picture shows all things what Neolithic human used. So this is about the Neolithic human being, how he started agriculture and stored food. And also here one more thing, he started to use sharp tools. In the Microlithic age only he used smaller tools, and also he fixed the handle to those stone tools. Here still smaller he made those stone tools, and those were very sharper than Microlithic age. And also he made the tools using bones, not only stones, he used bones also to make tools. Even he was getting, while hunting, he used to get the animal bones also. Those he used to make tools, to cut the animal skin, and also to dig the earth, to cut the crops, like that he used for different things. So this is about Neolithic age human being, how he changed. And also this is the period where Neolithic man changed a lot, improved a lot, and he became a civilized person, little bit civilized person during this period because of agriculture. The important sites are important places where historians got the evidences of Neolithic age. Those are Banahalli, Brahmagiri, Budihal, Hallur, Piklihal, T. Narsipura, Utnur of Karnataka, and Chiran of Bihar. So these are the different places where Neolithic age human evidences are found. So this is about the 3 ages of prehistoric period. In this you have learnt about Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. So these 3 ages tells about the prehistoric human being, how he has evolved step by step, how he learned the things, different things on his own, how he has become civilized person, cultured person, how he has improved, that we learn in these 3 ages. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next class. In the next class you are going to learn about the metal age. What are the different type of metals human being used in the past. Thank you so much.